Each device may have some specific settings. To look at them and to change them, you have to go into the device menu by pressing the button. In this case, I'm going to the IQ Easy sensor. I have 3 pages here. When I go to the next page, I can see the web average voltage of all of the sensors. In this case, there's only one sensor. I can see the peak voltages. Peak voltages are always shown negative and positive, depending on the time frame you have set for the data logging. In this case, it was set to 1 minute. In each minute, there can be a negative peak and there can be a positive peak, so it will show you both values. It will show you the web voltage, the actual voltage of the measuring segment 1, which is, you can see, fluctuating between 12 kilovolts and 13.5 kilovolts. It will show you the peak voltage it has measured in this period. What is also important, the sensor needs to be positioned at a certain distance to be accurate for the reading. So at installation, you will have to tell the IQ Manager the right distance you have mounted the sensor. On page 3, you can see you can set a warning set point and an alarm set point. If we go back one screen, we can see it is fluctuating around 12.5, 13 kilovolts. So if I change these parameters by going into the settings screen, I can set the warning set point to a lower level, like for instance 4 kilovolts. And you immediately can see it is giving me a warning. When I want to know what the warning is, I go into the action log and look at the warning. And it says, okay, high voltage, there is a pre-warning, which means it's giving me a warning because the voltage that has been measured on the web is above 4.7 kilovolts. I can do the same for the alarm set point. It is now at 20 kilovolts. When I set that below the measured value, for instance, well, maybe 10 kilovolts, now the little icon changes from a warning to an alarm. And when I go into the action log, okay, it also will tell me there was a warning, but now it has been overruled by a higher level, which means a warning, an error, the high voltage is too high. I can also see that in the main screen. You can see by the colors of the icons what the current situation of the device is. When it is blue, like the CM IQ Tiny, it is running. When it is green, it is in standby. And in this case, for the IQ Easy sensor, it is red, meaning a warning.